2 for now. Excellent. Almost done this. Got that mini split working, which is great. So over here you'll see they have a little fridge over here. Got a brownie for later. Got some other things like a smoothie drink with protein, some banana bread, some Coca-Cola. Gotta have your Arizona iced tea, of course. That stuff is good. And up here I got some other things, of course some other sweets and what have you when I go to bed, and something simple for the morning. Found this Kinder's honey hot barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna try some of that. So it's pretty nice. We've got the fire going. Weather is, it's a perfect day actually for this because it's not muggy. It's just, I want to say it's 70, maybe 75 degrees out. Which really ain't bad. We had some rain on the forecast for the next few days, but it changed again, which isn't a bad thing. Sometimes all it takes is just one day of staying in a cabin like this, or whether it be luxury camping, what I consider luxury camping. Some would call it glamping. Sometimes that's all you need. Doesn't take much to cook these. All right, should be just about ready now. So pretty cool thing. I just had the owner of the campground come by. His name is Doug, and he's just checking on me right now. So great customer service here. Pretty nice place. I'm pretty happy with this. My food's just about ready over here, so I'm just gonna put everything together and start eating. But things have been pretty nice out here. As you can see, some of the folks staying in some of the other cabins and what have you come by, they say hi and everything. We had a couple ladies over here, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with the place. Food's pretty much ready, so whoa, oh no, oh well, I'll put some of these on here. There we go. All right, dig in. All right, so it's gotten pretty dark out. So what I'm gonna do is switch up my clothes and take a quick shower, have some dessert, do some work on my computer, and then I'm gonna hit the hay. Got ourselves a homemade brownie and some banana bread over here. So it's getting pretty late, so I'm just gonna go to bed right now. Had a great time here, the desert of Maine. I know I've spent quite a few different occasions here, from their A-frame to their more modern square cabin. I don't know what else to call it, right? This one, I've been to Florida, have done different things. Currently on my mind, I am considering going down to the Carolinas, maybe visit North Carolina or South Carolina. That, or I'll just make another trip just to go down to Florida. That will likely be something I might do in this new coming year in 2027, so it hasn't been fully decided yet. But other than that, this year I do plan on doing more things like this. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Do share it with anybody that you believe will also enjoy it. It's my goal to, share my experience with others, and I like to bring others along the way while I, have new experiences. And this is a really, really nice place. Again, great customer service. The only thing that went wrong today was the mini split. For a period of the time wasn't working, but the maintenance representative was like, hey, just grab the remote from so-and-so A-frame, here's the door keypad, just grab it from there and it'll work. And it's been working. It's nice and cool in here, so it's great. But other than that, I'm gonna hit the hay, and I will see you folks around. You have a great day.